this is me, Annrica Ward. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do something that is very useful also and not useful. I don't think not useful, but it is useful. So ये आइडिया मुझे अभी आया है सुबह के 8 बजे. How? I don't know. I was just thinking that next video कौन सा बनाऊँ. जो भी वरुण धवन का वीडियो हो गया है, अब next video कौन सा बनाऊँ. उसमें मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया. I was not getting any idea. I was not getting any content. What content video? क्या बनाऊँ? Like, you know, I was thinking. So then I got an idea. I was just seeing my YouTube. I was just scrolling my YouTube, and then I saw one video. And that the girl which is there, she just took something like some clothes, some t-shirt, some. She took some old clothes of hers, and then she was just recreating it, and just it was like she was just recreating her old clothes into a new cloth. Like it looks like we just bought it from the shop or just online ordering and all this. This girl, she did it and it was looking so nice. तो मुझे वो देख के आइडिया आया कि उसने ओल्ड क्लोथ को लेके किया, तो मैं सिर्फ एक ही कपड़े को लेके करूँगी. That is I'll show you. That is this. This is a shirt. It's my dad's shirt. So I'm just gonna make use of it as a girl top, like whatever girls wear, like some एक शर्ट से क्या क्या बनता है. I'm just gonna show made of this, like बोलते हैं ना best out of waste, waste out of best, I don't know what you see, बोलते हैं ना वही. First for the first type is, I'll show you all. did you all like it? Okay, so we are just gonna do something now. Just gonna sign off now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and loved the video. I don't know how is it, okay, so hope it goes nice, everything. Chalo, take care, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Okay, bye.